guys, welcome to my channel. So tonight my husband said that we are going on a date. So usually I just put like brown eyeshadow, like nothing too fancy. So I saw in the back of this Wet n Wild they have like day and then they have night. So I'm gonna try the night tutorial that they have on the back, and I'm gonna follow the steps and see how it turns out on my eyes. So let's go. So here is the finished look. I like it. It made my eyes pop a lot, and I just added in some black eyeliner and Mary Kay Lash Love mascara, and I'm gonna add a little gloss. I'm gonna come back and show you guys my final date night outfit. I'm really excited, but I really like it. It was really simple. The steps were very basic, so if you are a beginner with your eyeshadow and you don't really know where to start, I definitely recommend the Wet n Wild. If people that are more experienced, they probably can do way more than this, but I think with a little lip gloss, I'm ready for date night.